This is how we are changing the lamp of a TFT display present in any kind of patient monitor. You can see here we have a different variety of patient monitors, but here when I open a display I found this lamp is faulty. This fault is high tension voltage 12 volt LED lamp, but this is not a kind of LED lamp. This is actually a kind of you can see a filament type LED present here, and here I have a new LED strip that works on 12 volts. So here I am going to change that old era halogen type or LED type lamp to a new type of variety, and this you can see here this is a kind of LED strip, a 12 volt LED strip. That this is a backlight. You can search on internet with the help of micro LED strip, backlight strip. So here we are replacing this lamp. How you can see here. So you have to insert this lamp like that, and after doing you have to paste some glue here, and after that you have to connect your connector, female connector, to the male port on the motherboard, and after that you will get the result. But what was the initial problem we got? We got a problem in our 5 parameter. The problem was that the display was not working. In what manner the display was not working? Let me tell you. The display is actually blurred, totally blurred. So after that I checked all the pins and the connector inside the monitor, but I did not get any correct fault. So after that we have a old display, and that display has a lamp issue, but the display was okay. So we are replacing and both displays lamp with each other, because the connectors and the old version of display was working on the 6 volt, but the new version of monitor we have works on 12 volt. That's why we are directly replacing the both the lamps with the 12 volt and 6 volt with each other. So after that we will get the success here. So in that case, what was the solution? Another solution, you have to purchase the new display, and you can replace the new display with the old display. But what you have to watch before purchasing a display, the connector should be same like that.